The Wildwood X-Lite isn't just another travel trailer, it's Forest River's way of saying, we know you want options and we're giving them to you. But the real power of the Wildwood X-Lite lies in its features. So let's dive in, interior to exterior, construction to towing, and see if this rig is the right fit for your next adventure. So let's start in my favorite place, the kitchen, because let's be honest, right? If the food setup doesn't deliver, nothing else matters. Right off the bat, you'll notice a backsplash that actually looks like it belongs in a home. It blends beautifully into the seamless countertop, and the undermounted deep sink makes cleaning and prep as smooth as your morning coffee. There's even a stainless steel roll-up sink cover to let your dishes drip dry without sacrificing counter space. Cooking's a breeze too, with a 3-burner high-output cooktop and a microwave. And when it comes to keeping your food cold, a 10 cubic foot fridge stands ready to take on your groceries, road beers, and whatever else you call fuel. Storage gets serious with solid cabinetry and heavy-duty hinges, and yes, there's even a built-in trash can because no one wants to play the "where did we stash that garbage" game. Now into the living area where the Wildwood X-Lite really starts showing off. Massive windows flood the space with natural light. You'll get at least a 48 by 12 inch window in the kitchen, and the panoramic living room window feels like a front row seat to wherever you've parked for the weekend. When you need a break from the view, residential style curtains and textured roller shades help set the mood and block the heat. Cooling is handled by a 13,500 BTU ducted AC, and if you want to crank things up, the 15K upgrade is an easy install. But for most models, a 13.5 does the trick. As for the furniture, most models with large slide-outs come with the Versa Lounge, a flexible setup that flips between a full-size sofa and a spacious booth dinette. Pillow back cushions make everything extra plush, and that feeling after a long hike, yeah, it lives here. Under all that cozy seating is Wildwood's stow-and-go storage system, offering over 20 cubic feet of hidden compartments for your gear, tools, and random camp stuff you probably didn't need, but you packed anyway. Overhead, the 4K blade lighting stretches across the ceiling. Fully dimmable, perfect for the ambiance that you want. And for select models, a mirror front electric fireplace adds a whole new level of cozy. Let's head into the bedroom where comfort and smart storage collide. The custom king bed, yeah, king, is standard on most models, and the Versa bed feature lets you raise the head with the push of a button. Whether you're reading, scrolling, or zoning out to your ceiling, it's a game changer. More stow-and-go bins live under the bed while revamped overhead cabinetry and full-sized wardrobe closets handle the rest. A built-in laundry hamper adds even more practicality. The windows, still big, still awesome. Just another reminder that this rig doesn't miss. Entertainment-wise, Wildwood X-Lite goes all in. The Bluetooth-enabled JBL stereo delivers crisp audio indoors and out, and USB ports are sprinkled throughout the space so everyone can stay charged and happy. You've got cable and satellite hookups, and every model comes with the King OmniGo antenna plus prep for the Wi-Fi range extender, LTE cell booster, and a satellite receiver. Whether you're binge watching, streaming music, or uploading trail pics, this rig has your signal needs covered. And now, the bathroom, because you're gonna spend more time here than you probably think. First, the skylight over the shower gives you extra headroom and natural light. Some models swap the shower for a tub, giving you options depending on your needs. The surround keeps things watertight, and the upgraded shower head is versatile enough to rinse off anything from sandy feet to a soap-covered dog. A 60,000 BTU tankless water heater means your hot showers won't turn into cold regrets. Add in a retro-style backlit mirror, and you've got a bathroom that's both functional and easy on the eyes. All right, time to head outside where the Wildwood X-Lite continues to flex. More ride step above entry steps make getting in and out a pain-free process. No more pinched fingers or bouncing stairs. Overhead, the power awning with blade lighting gives you a proper outdoor lounge vibe, especially when paired with the exterior speakers. Up front, most models include a power tongue jack. There's a generous pass-through storage bay there too, deep and wide enough for everything from folding chairs to inflatable kayaks. And when you need a quick rinse, you'll enjoy that most models come with an outdoor shower. All right, now let's talk about the Platinum package, which, let's be real for a second, is almost a must-have. It includes the smooth fiberglass exterior, a roof-mounted 200-watt solar panel with 30-amp controller, a spare tire with carrier, quick-drop stabilizer jacks, and the upgraded 15K BTU ducted AC. Most dealers spec it in automatically for a reason. It makes the rig look and perform like a premium trailer without the premium markup. As for construction, Wildwood X-Lite is built to last. You're not getting a slapped-together tin box here. You're getting a trailer designed with longevity and durability in mind. The structure is solid, the systems are integrated intelligently, and with options like solar and the King system, it's ready for both RV parks and off-grid escapes. So now the big question, can your vehicle tow it? Well, Wildwood X-Lite models range from 23 to 34 feet long, with most tipping the scales around 7,500 pounds fully loaded. That puts them in the approachable but not featherweight category. Depending on the year and trim, tow vehicles like the Jeep Grand Cherokee, BMW X5, Chevy Suburban, Dodge Durango, and Ford Expedition are all in play. If your owner's manual is long gone or was last seen soaking up transmission fluid in your garage, simply swing by a Camping World. They'll help you figure it out, and while you're there, maybe check out the Wildwood X-Lite in person. One walkthrough, and more than likely, you'll know it's the one.